Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Good morning. Magandang agham. Let me tell you a story. 22 years ago, when computers were still 186, 286, for some of you older people, you remember this. Then came this very nice computer called Sun Microsystems. At the time, when you buy a hard disk drive for Sun Microsystem, the cost was something like 20,000 by today's standard. But if you buy a regular Seagate, the cost was about 2,000 pesos. So being engineers, we were curious. We opened up the Sun system and we saw inside, it was also Seagate. But the difference is, there was a latch that goes with the hard drive to put it into the Sun Microsystem computer. The cost difference was times 10, and we were very poor at that time. So, one of my colleagues was very innovative. He went to Quiapo, to the dental supplies, and he bought what is used for making denture cast. And we basically took out those clips, copied it, and then put it on the Seagate and put it in the Sun computer. And we bought 20 of those Seagate, and we put them all, and we put all the molds, and we were able to get them to work. That was crude 3D printing at the time, but the cost difference was a factor of 10. The point is that we've come a long way. Today, all you have to do is scan, and then print, and then you have those things. So today, we are ushering a wide array of new technologies that could revolutionize the way we live in this modern world. We are all worried about the fourth industrial revolution, or 4IR. It will cause a major shift towards automation, roboticizing, digitalizing, those are two different things by the way, and it will change the way we manufacture and make things. A crucial part of this is smart manufacturing. It utilizes additive manufacturing technologies that are capable of mass production and customization. So, did some of you go to our exhibit? So I also went there and I asked, how long does it take to print this? And I was told, the whole day. So at this point in time, it might be faster to just use ordinary technologies than 3D printing. For example, you can do a CNC for the metalwork, or you can do other ways of creating the shape. So today, you will see and hear about MatDev. This is the Multiple Materials Platform for Additive Manufacturing from ITDI. And you will also see the Rapid Admatech, which is the rapid and advanced prototyping and for product innovation and development using additive manufacturing technologies from MIRDC. Aside from the informative lectures highlighting different applications of 3D printing, we also aim to create partnerships and collaborations among the different stakeholders of AMCen. This event will also be packed with exhibits and demos of different 3D printing materials and technologies. Through consultations and workshops, we aim to discuss the exciting opportunities that the new Center for Additive Manufacturing will offer to the academy, the industry, the government, and civil society. We're also launching our website, social media platform, and the AMCen ecosystem to help address your 3D printing needs. Ang imagination namin in the future, you just send an email with your design and then papadala na lang namin sa inyo by courier yung final product. I would like to personally congratulate in advance the organizers, the DOST Industrial Technology Development Institute and the Metals Industry Research and Development Center for making this event a success. To all the participants, may the next 2 days be filled with fruitful discussions and may the presentations ignite a spark of interest and innovation in all of you, so you will continue to do research in this exciting field of additive manufacturing. Good morning once again, and I now formally welcome you to the Philippine Additive Manufacturing Day.